Right guys, we are at a very, very slippery skate park. Running the the KRATORIOUS Kraton / Notorious. Now running a Notorious body, running a Notorious chassis. My wing is about had it. Let's get pull that off. Don't need that. So we are running pretty much everything scorched. Wingman is hanging on by a thread, literally. Yeah, so everything on here is scorched pretty much. The only thing ain't is the EXB towers and the motor mount. They are still stock. That will change at some point. But for now, she is running standard. I'm currently running a 1700 rocket motor in this with a 17 tooth pinion on a Max 6S. So it's not as wild as it can be. It will run 8S, and if it all survives and all goes well, we will run 8S. I don't think the wing's going to hold up to that, but we will run it anyway if it holds up. But guys, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the new subscribers that I've got. You really, really help me out. Pushes me to keep going and make more content for you guys. So I appreciate every single one of you. And this is why I come out in the freezing cold to show you my appreciation, bring you good content. And just have a blast. Nice. Nicey nice. It's always nice to start off with a good jump, and a nice big double backflip is a nice way to go. That wing's proper at it now, isn't it? Oh, guys, that backflip didn't end well. I tried doing a lazy, didn't quite work. And I've gone and done exactly the same thing as what I did the other day. That 3D printed arms give up the ghost on me. Yeah guys, look, done exactly the same thing, snaps right on the pin. I need to buy some decent ones. Alright guys, short run, only for about 15 minutes. But that is it then for the KRATORIOUS scorch build. My own fault though, really. I shouldn't have used a 3D printed arm, especially with it being so bloody cold out here. But I will get some proper arms ordered out. And then we'll get back out properly, get Flipside out here, so we can have KRATORIOUS versus Notorious. But guys, again, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers for supporting me, and all my existing subscribers. Guys, loyal support means everything. I appreciate it. But for now, guys, please like, share, subscribe, smash that bell, and I will get this back out again and give you a decent run. Get some proper arms for it. But guys, for now, I'm out.